Hi, I'm Emilia Clarke.
And I'm Henry Golding.
And we are here today with Tasty celebrating our new movie Last Christmas, which will be in theatres November 8th. So Henry, what are we making?
We're making my favourite holiday hot chocolate truffles.
Yum. So the premise of Last Christmas is that you meet a young girl who's a little bit lost and a little bit chaotic, and she bumps into a young man who is not any of those things. And what results is a little romance to the backdrop of this particular young lady getting herself together.
In the wonderful city of London, which everybody finds romantic, especially at Christmas time.
So what is it that you do?
I sing.
Oh, that's amazing.
Anyway, boring.
I'm not bored.
This particular recipe is a more American version, because the kind of puritanical hot chocolate sometimes just won't do. But I think the inspiration behind this recipe being the fact that hot chocolate is like a hug, it's just a big hug, basically. It's just a sugary, beautiful hug. So you can put marshmallows, which then get all gooey and sticky, and then you've got a marshmallow surprise at some point in your drink. Or make it festive and put a candy cane in it. You can crush the candy canes and roll them around in it, so you've got a minty chocolate treat to give to your guests.
You know, more sugar the better.
See Last Christmas in theatres November 8th. Cheers.
Cheers. Chocolatey.
We have chocolate in our teeth.
Oh, yes!